When I moved into my apartment, I noticed a strange hollow sound from the bedroom wall. I thought nothing of it until the noises started. At first, it was faint scratching, like nails on wood. Then came the whispers, muffled and low, like someone talking through the wall. One night, I pressed my ear to it, trying to listen. That's when I heard it. "I see you." I jumped back, heart racing. The next morning, I saw it a crack in the wall. Small but growing. By the third night, the crack was wide enough to peek through. Against my better judgment, I looked. There was a room behind the wall, dark and empty. But it wasn't empty for long. Something moved pale, too thin, with hollow eyes staring back at me. Now the crack is bigger, and I can hear it shifting inside, scratching, whispering my name. I'm leaving tonight, but I'm afraid it won't let me go.